Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a look for you with the Jaclyn Hill palette because I just got it and I love it, and all the shades blend so beautifully and they're so pigmented, and it's just like my favorite palette right now and I love it. So I wanted to do a look for you guys. It's super simple, but it's super girly and like summer daytime appropriate. I didn't want to do a dark look just because it's, you know, it is summer and I can do those in the fall, in the winter, or whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment down below and turn on your post notification bells. And if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so I already have like my face makeup done and everything. I'm just gonna show you eyes today, and I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette because I just got it and I want to do some looks with it. It's not going to be anything with like the darker colors just because it's summer, and that's just like not the makeup vibe right now. So I'll do more looks with it in like the fall and stuff, or like darker looks, but today I'm just going to do something like pretty and like girly. So the first one I'm gonna take is this one right here. That one right there, it's called MFEO. MFEO. I'm just gonna put that as my transition shade. Okay, and now I'm going to be taking a little bit of a darker shade, and I'm gonna be taking this one right here. Let me see the name of it. Wait, it's called Pooster? Yeah. No, Pooter. This one right here is called Pooter. That's what I'm taking next. And I'm gonna kind of blend that in my outer corner and like halfway into my crease. Shadows are so pigmented and so blendable. Now we're just gonna blend. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of my transition shade. Okay, and now I'm going to be putting this color right here on the lid. Super pretty. It's called Faint, this one. Just on like the inner 2/3 of my lid. I wanted to do a look where you didn't have to wear lashes with it. And then moving on to my lower lash line, I'm just going to take the transition shade and the second shade that we used and put that on my lower lash line. And for the brow bone highlight, I'm going to be taking this one right here. It's called Enlight. Actually, no, I'm going to take this one. It's called Beam. Beam. So pretty. I love these shades. And now I'm just going to do a super, super, super thin line on my upper lash line with this Steve Laurent Precision Tip Liner in black. And I'm going to be putting on my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and now I'm just going to be putting on some lip gloss. I'm just going to use my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Oh my god. And just put that on. And then I'm just going to set my face, and that'll be it. And that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also leave a comment down below and turn on your post notifications because you don't want to miss any more videos that I upload. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!